Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Have you seen the clips of the poor Ferrari Roma that 3 weeks ago got stuck in the narrow streets in northern Italy? Because if you don't, here they are. And if you already have seen them, well, I got some more news for you. So, I found the original clip, you know, the one with the running woman. And here we can appreciate just how small the gap between the car and the walls really is. I mean, how did Ferrari end up in this bad situation? How can it be possible to get your car stuck in there? But hey, since this is the original video, we can finally see the plate. And as it turns out, it's a Swiss plate from Zurich. Now, with a quick search, I've got to find a couple of pictures of this very same car cruising on the road of Zurich. These pics are from June 2021. And yeah, the paint was perfect back then. From the pictures we can also see who the driver is, but that's not important for our story. And I also would prefer to leave some privacy to this poor man. I mean, not very poor, he owns a $250,000 Ferrari. Yeah, it's the worst possible Ferrari in the lineup, but... Anyway, the video that I've never seen before, it's the one where the car tries to get out of this very bad situation. And as you can see, the guy puts on the reverse and tries to free the car without damaging the paint of the car more than it already is. And speaking of the paint job, you know that it won't come cheap to repair this car, right? Because as you order a Ferrari Roma, your paint will come anywhere between $8,000 to $16,000. And keep in mind that the repair cost of a supercar like this one can be much higher than the original factory prices when you buy a car. Now, we really can't be sure about how much the car was damaged in the accident, because unfortunately even the second clip ends right before we can see anything about it. And so I guess we will never know about it. And so this is it, guys. This was another very uninformative video, and thank you very much for wasting your time with me. See you next time.